In Photoshop, you can apply a brushstroke to any layer, but of course you need to have it as a raster layer, not as type or a shape. 24.6 has got a new feature. I thought, yes, sounds brilliant. Described in the what's new. Let's just go to this one. Just go to this and apply. Now this is just a normal layer. I can apply it to it. But if it's a smart object, you can see I've just made it back to a smart object and try to apply it. It will come up with this message. This smart object must be rasterized before proceeding, which is not very helpful. It does not create a new layer as described. Also type. Again, click there. This type must be rasterized. Likewise, a shape. Click and must be rasterized. Have you had the same issue? The same problem? Does it work for you? Is there a setting that needs to be set? Be really great to know.